Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making teriyaki chicken, juicy chicken glazed in a sweet-savory soy sauce, pan-cooked the Japanese way. Teriyaki is a traditional Japanese cooking technique with a history spanning several centuries. The word combines teri, the beautiful gloss that forms on the surface, and yaki, meaning to grill. The sauce is a simple blend of soy sauce, mirin, and sugar glazed over the ingredient as it cooks. Outside Japan, teriyaki often refers to the sauce itself, typically richer and bolder with garlic and ginger. As foods travel across borders, they're reinterpreted to fit new cultures and tastes, and teriyaki is a perfect example of that. This recipe shows teriyaki as it's made in Japanese home kitchens. We hope you enjoy comparing it with the version you know. Alright, let's start cooking. First, make the sauce. Add the soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. Then mix to combine. Now, let's prepare the chicken. Remove the excess fat, large sinew, and trim any overhanging skin. Trimming the fat and sinew helps the chicken hold its shape and reduces shrinkage during cooking. Make shallow cuts into the thicker parts to even out the thickness. This ensures the chicken cooks evenly and prevents overcooking. Use the tip of a knife or a fork to pierce the skin side in 10 to 15 places. This prevents the skin from shrinking during cooking and helps it stay flat against the pan. Season the chicken with sugar, salt, and sake. Sugar binds easily with moisture, helping to retain it during cooking. Cover with plastic wrap and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently pat the surface dry with paper towels. The chicken should still feel slightly moist. That's fine. Excess moisture can cause the starch to clump and makes it harder to achieve a good sear. Dust the chicken lightly and evenly with potato starch using a fine mesh sieve. Shake off any excess. A thin, even coating helps the sauce cling to the chicken evenly. Add 1 teaspoon of neutral oil to a frying pan. Place the chicken skin side down, then turn the heat to medium. For the first 1 to 2 minutes, press gently with a spatula to prevent the skin from curling up. Note that too little oil can cause uneven browning when using potato starch. Cover with a lid and continue cooking over medium heat for a total of 5 to 6 minutes until the skin is golden brown. The lid traps steam, allowing the chicken to cook gently without drying out. Then flip the chicken. Reduce to medium-low heat, cover again, and cook for a further 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the excess oil from the pan by wiping gently with paper towels. This helps the sauce cling to the chicken in the next step. Add the sauce. Cook over medium-low heat for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Spoon the sauce over the chicken. Turn it occasionally to coat both sides evenly. Avoid reducing the sauce too much Overcooking at this stage will tighten the meat and concentrate the flavor too strongly. Remove from heat. Rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the juices to settle, keeping the meat moist and tender when sliced. Slice into pieces. Doneness is a matter of preference, but for a juicy result, look for clear juices and no pink at the center when sliced. Pressing the chicken gently should give firm resistance. If it still feels soft, it needs a little more time.
Itadakimasu.
Before we wrap up, here's a look at Mos Burger, a Japanese hamburger chain with deep ties to teriyaki culture. A personal favorite of the Paqupel team, Mos Burger is the chain that created one of Japan's most beloved fast food staples, the teriyaki burger. What began at Mos Burger gradually spread to other chains, and today the teriyaki burger is a standard menu item at hamburger restaurants across Japan. Mos Burger has over 1,300 locations nationwide. You'll find them near train stations in most major cities. Their teriyaki sauce carries a Japanese character, with miso used as a secret ingredient to give it a rich, savory depth. At Mos Burger, you'll find 2 teriyaki options on the regular menu: the teriyaki burger made with a patty and the teriyaki chicken burger. At the time of filming, 2 additional teriyaki burgers were also available as limited time offerings. Our top recommendation from the Paqupel team is the teriyaki chicken burger. The tender, juicy chicken pairs beautifully with the teriyaki sauce. At Mos Burger, you'll find hamburgers made with the kind of care and hospitality that is distinctly Japanese. There's plenty to enjoy beyond the teriyaki burger as well, so be sure to stop by when you visit Japan. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.